Tammy, don't climb on the bug.
I'm not climbing on the bug.
You know what time it is.
It's Tim and Tammy time. And today, we're at Callaway Gardens. Once again, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we love y'all.
Yes, we do. But don't climb on the bugs.
I'm not messing with the bugs. I'm not bugging the bugs. How are you doing today, Miss Virginia? I wouldn't mess with these bugs, no how. They're dangerous. Now, when Isaac was a baby, he loved this waterfall. He was in a stroller, baby. And we were sitting right here, and I was standing right above this, looking down into the water, and there was this twigs just standing up out of the water. And I looked, and it was a snake. It was a green snake. And then we just sat here and watched the green snake, because it was over there.
Just saw a bird, haven't seen a snake yet. Although that could be one strapped down to the...
Shh, I don't think
There's
so.
a lizard.
Those are Christmas lights, probably. Oh, that might just be lights to light this up at night if people's out here walking. You need a light. As long as I can remember, they've had that area right there closed off. It looked like you used to just walk down into the water, but they've had it closed off. They used to do something out here, I'm pretty sure. There used to be a show or something went on out here. That's my guesstimation.
I don't think they keep gators out here.
Oh, since they let people swim in this lake, I'm pretty sure they don't think there's gators here.
Probably not in this lake.
Probably are.
I mean, they don't probably swim here in this lake.
Well, honey, you know the water's got to be connected somewhere. Oh, I was real fly over here. Don't bug the bugs, but the bugs is bugging me.
I am not. I repeat. I'm not. Of course it's closed right now anyway. But even if it was open, I'm not climbing up those steps.
That's a ladder, you crazy man.
I ain't climbing up those steps of that ladder. I'm just saying. I love the softness of the... I'm not climbing there either. Not climbing up rope.
Look. Look at all the fossils on the rocks. There's one over there.
Oh, yeah.
There's one down there. Sure, they're fake fossils, but hey.
Well, you know, when you're a kid, like we are, I mean, you know, it's kind of neat. So we are entering into the world of giant bugs.
Warning, we're really big.
Yeah, it's 28 species, 70 individual creepy crawly, and this is a giant ladybug.
Look, where's the male and where's the female? How do you tell the difference?
I don't know.
Look, that there is a dogwood tree. Wow.
I wonder what that was.
I know what it was.
What?
It was the guard that keeps you from climbing the ladder right there. You just failed. You just fell right over.
Oh my gosh. It did. I see it now.
Yeah, I saw it when it was falling. That's how I knew when it hit and I heard it. Go climb the ladder.
Callaway is haunted.
It might be. I think it's the wind though. Now these right here always remind me of the never-ending story.
Snails. Snailed it! That's what it says.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm not going to eat a roach unless I have no other choice. If I'm starving to death, it takes some huge something. It says they offer 3 times more protein than chicken or beef. I thought they had some interaction things in here.
They have stuff that's supposed to move. This praying mantis right here is supposed to move. Y'all, this was real funny. I was here with Mama one day and the praying mantis started moving and Mama just...
Oh, there it goes.
But it was moving so much slower that day. And Mama saw it, but she didn't say anything. And I looked up and I said, oh, it's moving. And she said, thank God you see it too. Now the one that fruited me out is one of these bees up here moves. And when I went by it, and it moved the first time. It really, yeah, the first time I went through here is a little bit different than now.
You have to walk around it, I guess, or something.
No, look, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. You see this fake rock?
Oh, yeah.
It has a sensor in it, and somehow when you go past it, it makes it start moving. I don't know exactly how, but it does.
Be careful.
Don't bug the bugs. Them bugs are safe from me. No problem.
Now look at this one. Now he's moving now, the giant. He was moving anyway.
I ain't never seen him move.
He was moving. He's super big. There he goes.
I got it. I figured it out, Tim. That one right there. I'm standing right in front of it. That's where the sensor's at. It's pointed right here.
Do it again.
I got to get back in the sensor. Hang on.
There he goes.
Walk right in front of it and he moves.
Wow.
I'd expect that. That sensor's over here and he's over there. He's at the end of the route.
I thought one of these bees moved too.
Don't you worry. It's not bees. It's over a little bit further down. It's the wasp up here that moves.
Oh, the big one?
Not him. No, he's a honeybee. These are honeybees.
Okay.
The wasp is on over here, I think. I think I'm right about that.
Walking along, looking at a beautiful lake. There's 2 turtles right there.
Yeah. There's more than 2 there. I see 5. I see 4.
Walking along, looking at the lake, looking at the turtles, and then bam, giant grasshopper.
Katie did. Katie did. What
Katie
Katie
did.
What
Okay.
Katie do? She
What
moved.
did Katie do?
She moved to the Chattahoochee River. That's what Katie did.
Katie don't.
Bumblebee.
Yeah.
Centipede up there's getting in pretty bad shape. That bumblebee's losing part of his side and leg too. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what? I might have been wrong about your wasp because I didn't see a wasp like that. Oh, yeah, that's a dragonfly. And he has definitely been over.
The wind's got a hold of him.
Yeah. I love these. This is a flamboyant flower beetle. Actually, they're nice.
Yeah. Ooh, I hate spiders.
Yeah, that is a tailless whip scorpion.
Looks like a spider to me.
I think it's a spider. It's got 8 legs. Or does it? You know what? It's got 6 legs. No? I don't know.
Well, now there's a. Oh.
Freaky gate.
Anybody want to go down there?
Nope.
This is a dung beetle.
Yep, there's a fly hitchhiking on the dung he's rolling.
Oh my gosh, there's something moving. Is it Lady Bigfoot? Pine cone trapped between two branches.
There's a little pine cone trapped in that little not pine tree.
I know one time we were walking and we went from, I think, from here to the chapel before we knew it. Well, it was a pretty good walk, mind you, but...
We was at the Azalea Bowl when we did that, weren't we?
Yeah, we were with Hannah and Ethan too, I think.
Oh, yeah, actually when we was with Hannah and Ethan, I have no idea how we got to the chapel.
Look at that tree, y'all. Y'all almost scared to walk up under it.
Yeah, because it's being held up by another tree. Squirrel might run across it and knock it down.
That is so very true. Of course, I think it's yeah.
It ain't totally uprooted, is it? It ain't uprooted at all.
Well, this one right here is leaning too.
Yeah, that one's also in the ground. So they're not in any danger of falling.
These aren't anyway. It's wild.
They grow sideways. Now we're walking along beside the road that we come in on. You know that, right?
Yeah, I
that
know.
bridge is over there.
Look at the moss on the pavement. Yeah, I don't guess we've ever been this way. So I guess I'll have to freely admit that you were right. It didn't just circle back around through the pets and or the insects and the course.
I knew there was another path down through here, but I don't know where it's going to.
See, I can admit when I'm wrong.
You've got good practice. Keep thinking there'll be a sign. Prepare to stop.
How do you prepare to stop when you're walking?
I guess you get a little bit slower and slower and slower. High traffic area ahead.
Yeah, it crosses over.
Well, you know how it is out here. We might be getting further and further away. We might be getting closer and closer to that thing. This is definitely the way we've never been.
Yeah. All right, well, let's go back. It actually circles back around too, somewhat, but.
Yeah, it goes both ways there. It goes that way too.
I don't guess we've ever been down in that area, I don't suppose.
I don't think we have anyway.
You can tell it's trying to come up though. But look, that tree right there's already falling.
Oh, yeah.
So we are walking in dangerous territories where at any moment a tree may fall down. But hey, I'm happy. There's no steps. Sure would scare me if something come running out of that thing. Hissing at me. I'm
What are you doing?
filming you, I think.
I doubt it. I'm not that tall. Here, I wave way up there. That's my hand. Y'all see it?
And there's one big bug over here too.